Hall.
We're gonna do a strawberry rub or a cure, which I think is just real fun. It's something we've kind of evolved
Think of
through.
strawberries? How does strawberry rub come about?
So they're dehydrated. So we actually literally juice them through a juicer, and then we spread them out and make almost like a fruit roll-up. Dry it, chop it up into the dust, as you can see here.
Yes.
And then we're gonna mix it in with a little bit of some salt and black pepper.
Oh.
But look at that.
That might be the new spice,
Oh,
you know?
I'm telling you.
Yeah.
This is cool because it's not strong and it's not jammy.
There's nothing else on this.
No.
This is just its own.
Own natural sweetness from the farmer's market. Just really yummy, you know, the highest quality strawberries you can find. And then I like to accent this with a little bit of jalapeno. Same sort of thing. We juiced it.
Yes.
And then there's one side that gets all dusty, or is kind of the pulp. And then the other side, which is the juice, which we'll also use. So
Now you deveined it, you took the seeds out.
not on that.
Good. Good.
I like personality.
Oh my God, yes.
I don't want to hide from it.
Good.
You know?
I'm glad.
And then the real key is the balance of a little bit of lime zest. And limes are a little finicky. They need to be zested fresh. So I'm gonna have you take the jalapeno juice, so that's from the other side,
Okay.
and we're gonna put a little splash into our honey.
I need some clarification. What do you mean with the other side? I've got a jalapeno.
Yes. So we run it through the juicer, right?
Yeah.
It's coming down, shoots out pulp,
Yeah.
the bottom drops down pure juice. So we're using the juice for this.
Okay.
And it's intense.
Like really hot?
No, like really tasty.
I want to taste it.
It has no seeds. Yeah, you'll be fine.
It tastes like just a fresh pepper.
Well, you tell me.
It has spice.
It does.
Yes. Was that a joke? It has spice.
Maybe I
Beware.
fooled you.
But it's not over spicy, and yeah, it tastes like a pepper.
Tastes like a pepper.
Tastes like a pepper.
So actually, I'm gonna have you just kind of dap this on here.
Okay.
Have some fun with that.
Okay. And this is beautiful.
Yeah, it's great, great fish.
Now we're only doing one side.
We're gonna do both, actually.
Okay.
I'm gonna flip them for you.
I know. I just went on to the salmon. Was I supposed to?
Please, yeah, please. We're gonna cook them both. I kind of want to show the diversity of this dish. It works fantastic with the trout, the salmon, the opa. It's pretty good on the striped bass. It allows the fish to really express its natural flavor.
Okay.
And what this does is help the cure. So we'll apply this, let it sit for a little bit, and then we're gonna actually bake it, which is something I don't do very often.
How long? What temperature?
So we're gonna do at about 400 degrees, and I'm gonna guesstimate at 7 to 10 minutes.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah, not long at all.
How do you go about finding what herbs and spices and combinations go with your proteins?
You know, it's a lot of research, and it also depends on the country of kind of origin where it begins. So this is California, right? Got some Latin roots in us for sure.
Right.
So a little bit of cilantro, a little bit of that jalapeno heat. And this is a great summer dish. Little olive oil on the pan.
Okay.
And this is so simple. We're just gonna bake it in our oven for, again, 7 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna have you take all of those strawberries.
Put them in.
They're just natural strawberries. We're not adding any sugar to it whatsoever.
Oh,
We want them to just be, and they're fresh from the farmer's market. They're the ripest all the way through. No shoulders that are white. I mean, it's really, really pretty. So let's add to that some cucumber.
Okay.
I want a little bit of a crunch, just to give you mouthfeel and texture. It's really important. That looks, one more, there you go. That looks great. We'll add all of that corn.
Okay. And then you just boiled this corn.
Corn, yeah, we roast it actually in the
do you?
oven, so
Okay.
it gets kind of that natural flavor. In the husk, just real
The whole
natural.
thing. Okay.
We'll go ahead and add some pine nuts and jalapenos
Yes.
one more time.
How
now
many?
these jalapenos are seeded, so they're not so spicy.
Oh, all right. How many pine nuts more?
Keep going. Chives, so a little bit of olive oil just to give it some fat
Okay.
for the palate and kind of helps broaden it out. Then I have one more little component for this dish that I think really makes it different.
Yep.
This is corn milk is what we call it. So we take corn, again, through the juicer,
Okay.
run it through, and all you get is the pure essence of corn.
How do you run corn through a juicer?
You take out the kernels, yes, of course, and then run it through your Champion juicer. And then we're just gonna take that, warm it up, and it thickens itself. Stir it constantly because it does want to burn.
Okay.
And then you get this really just incredible taste of summer.
The thread of all of this is you're using the flavor of what's in season. When people learn that if you use what's in season, if you're using the best spices and the best produce, the best fish, you don't have to do much to it. It'll speak for itself.
Yeah, it absolutely true. And to me, this gives you a sense of place is really important when we're eating. I mean, this is summertime, this is California.
Well, and I think too, people do a lot of salmon, which is why I love the variety of fish that you use, but doing something different with it. You always have to be creating something new, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So here's the opa, which is just this beautiful fish. It's got a texture of like swordfish.
Oh, look at
super,
that.
super yummy. Here's our salmon.
Yes. Oh man, that's pretty.
This is a little Mexican crema, because a little fat, little creme fraiche with your strawberries.
Okay.
Even though this is certainly not a dessert by any means.
Interesting that you're doing it like this.
You know, give it a little brightness, really pull that plate up. And then I like to, if we could, have that rub.
Yeah.
Show off the fact that we made this rub. Let guests kind of see what we're really all about.
Yes. Okay, let's taste it. I would have never thought strawberries and salmon.
Oh my God. I think this one's really, here, try that one.
Oh my God, that's delicious. And I love salmon. This is, you know, I'm trying to figure out, I'm tasting something really unique and I can't put my finger on it. Obviously,
I think it's the way it comes together, all the flavors, how rich they are.
I've never tasted anything like that.
Coming to Disney,